Hi chefs, I'm Miss Andi from the Cary Area Public Library, and after all that reading beyond the beaten path, we need to power up with a campfire pizza. Actually, we'll be using an oven, so definitely ask a grown-up to help you. Be sure any frozen items that you want to use are thawed in your refrigerator. First, we'll wash our hands. Then we'll need our tools. A cookie sheet with foil, a can opener. I use a handheld one with tiny cans, but if your electric one works with them, that's okay too. A cereal-sized spoon. And we'll need the ingredients. Any brand of Flakey refrigerated biscuits, tomato sauce, shredded cheese, and pepperoni, or anything else you might like. Press the biscuit flat and keep pressing down and outward until it's a circle that's about 5 inches around. Pressing it allows it to still be flaky when it bakes. Spoon the sauce onto the dough, start in the middle and work out to the edge. Use enough sauce to thinly cover the dough, but not too much or the cheese will slide off. Then add the cheese, as much or as little as you like. Then the pepperoni or other toppings. Bake at 375 degrees for 10 minutes until the sides are golden brown. Enjoy, and thanks for watching. Tag us on Instagram with a photo of your pizza. Mmm.